Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for this week is about creating a learning guide. There are times when we have little idea of our task or simply confused of some information about the project we are completing, especially when we are new to the VA world or have new projects assigned to us. And hey, it's okay. This week's tip is about taking down notes of questions you have in mind that you can't just ask the client in a daily basis. First thing, create a Word document and put all your questions and concerns. Write it down as specific as possible. At the end of the week, send it to your client via email, or if you have a weekly meeting, share it to your client. In that same learning guide, write down your client's answer just below the corresponding question. This way, you have a job aid in case you forget. This personal learning guide you just created will serve as a simple knowledge base that will surely help you to be successful to your role. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.